Hello children, welcome to my channel. Children, today we will study about life cycle of frog. So let us start to know about frogs. First we will know what is a frog. Children, frog is a amphibian animal. Amphibians means are a class of animals like reptiles, mammals and birds. They live the first part of their lives in water and the last part on the land. When they hatch from their eggs, amphibians have gills so they can breathe in water. They also have fins to help them swim just like fish. Children, first all of you know about the morphology, that means external structure of a frog. Structure of a frog is divided into two parts, head part and trunk part. See the picture. Different parts of a frog is eye, nostril, tympanum. Tympanum is its ear, digits, front leg, web. Their legs are web-like, webbed foot, hind leg, belly, stomach part, belly, trunk and top part is head. Children, let us study about the life cycle of a frog. See the picture carefully. Life cycle of frog consists of three stages: egg, larva and adult. As the frog grows, it moves through these stages in a process known as metamorphosis. During metamorphosis, two hormones, prolactin and thyroxine, control the transformation from egg to larva to adult. Let us study different stages of life cycle of a frog. First stage is eggs. See the picture of eggs. This is an egg mass, collection of frog's egg laid by a frog. Each of those black dots is made up of a bunch of cells that will eventually grow into a tadpole. Depending on the species, these egg masses can be made up of several hundred eggs. Next stage is larval stage. A larval amphibian is specifically a frog or toad larva that has a rounded body. See the picture. Rounded body with a long tail bordered by fins and external gills, soon replaced by internal gills, and that undergoes a metamorphosis to the adult. Next stage is tadpole stage. A tadpole is a stage in the life cycle of amphibians like frogs. The tadpole is a larval stage or a period in the life cycle of some animals where the offspring look nothing like the adult. A tadpole lives almost entirely in the water, although there are some amphibian species where the tadpole can survive on land. Next stage is young frog. A young frog is specifically one that has recently metamorphosed from a tadpole. Now last is your adult frog. When the tadpole reaches the froglet stage means what? That means both limbs are appeared in tadpole body. It is almost a full adult. At this point, the tadpole's gills have disappeared and its lungs have enlarged. This means it is ready to leave the water and live on land. Once its tail disappeared, it will become an adult frog. Now life cycle again start. Adult frog again hatch eggs and lay eggs, and again life cycle of the frog start. Important topic during life cycle of a frog is that a term arises, metamorphosis. Common example of metamorphism are the life cycle of a frog. In the life cycle of frog, the animal transforms from a small tadpole to a frog. Transfer of animals takes place from a small tadpole to a adult frog. The tadpoles develop gills that help them to breathe under water. Gills in tadpole stage. It also during this stage the frog metamorphosis that the tadpoles becomes to develop lungs. Okay students, I hope that this topic is clear to you. Learn all the topic. If you have doubt, write in my comment box. Have a good day.